I'm starting to book clinics for next year. If you'd like to talk to me about a clinic in your area, about hosting a clinic, you can message me and contact me, and we'll see about setting that up. Looks like I'm going to be doing a clinic in Germany next year. I'm really excited about that. And so I've been doing these videos now for, I think, coming up on 4 years. Talking about training the horses that come in. Primarily my videos are showing you the training of the horses that come in, and I show you the progression of each horse, and we talk about training in general. And we're in November, getting towards the end of the year, and every year I think about what direction I want to go in for the next year, and kind of my goals and my planning for next year. And I've thought of a couple of different things that I want to do for next year, things that I'm expanding on. I've started a Spotify podcast, and all of my live videos will be uploaded to that Spotify podcast, so you can listen to the audio of those. I know a lot of people, it's hard to sit down and watch an hour-long YouTube video, but you'll drive and you'll be able to pull up my live broadcasts and listen to them on Spotify. That's where I'm answering a lot of questions on different topics. We usually kind of have a general topic that we start with and stay with it for a while, and then go off and talk about all kinds of various things. So that I have coming up, I'm starting on soon, and you'll be able to listen to all the live training videos on Spotify. But I'm wondering, what else would you like to see or hear? What direction would you like to see me take this in next year? Last year, my main goal was the Patreon, which has done really well. That's where I'm putting most of my more specific training videos, because the group of people that want those is a smaller group, so it's easier for them to find those videos on Patreon. And the more general training stuff is going on YouTube and Facebook. So give me some input. Let me know what direction, what you would like to hear. Is there a part of the training that I'm not showing that you would like to see more of? And this year, I brought you along with some of the vet stuff that I've had done, the MagnaWave, a lot of the care that we do. I've thought about doing more of that kind of inside information that's not specific training, but it's kind of part of having a training facility. I can do more of that. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see more of, or if you'd like to see more training specific videos, or if you have something in a totally different direction. Let me know what you would like to see, and we'll start videoing that. We do a lot here. I mean, every phase, every part of having a horse and raising a horse and training a horse, we do that here. So just let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll see if I can incorporate that into next year's videos. And I want to thank everybody for following me along for so long, and producing this great, having this great group of people that follow me. I travel all over the country now, and I go, every place I go, I just about always run into somebody that follows me on Facebook and YouTube, and it's really, really nice to see. I'm starting to book clinics for next year. If you'd like to talk to me about a clinic in your area, about hosting a clinic, you can message me and contact me, and we'll see about setting that up. Looks like I'm going to be doing a clinic in Germany next year. I'm really excited about that. And I've been approached by a couple people about putting some banners up in here, so that you're sponsoring banners, and so that your banner would be seen during all the videos that we do here. I have a couple I really haven't worked on getting more, but I think that's a direction we're going to go in. And if you'd like to have your business appear in all these videos that we record in here, let me know. Contact me, and we'll talk about it. Until next time, thank you for watching.